In today's video, we will be going over my 2023 real estate investing goals and how I plan on executing each one. But before we start, I really want to say thank you so much to everyone that's been watching my videos and have been subscribing to my channel. As of right now on my channel, I have 25 videos and over 340 subscribers. I just want to say thank you to each and every one of you. Now, to give you some context before going into my real estate investing goals for 2023, I wanted to let you know where we are currently sitting. My wife and I are currently 25 years old and we own 3 properties that are valued over $1.1 million. We have a 4-unit apartment complex, we have a duplex, and we also have a primary house, which is a single family. Now, I am no way, shape, or form trying to toot my own horn or brag about what we have. I know in a relative scale that we actually have a very, very small portfolio compared to all the real estate investors out there. I'm just trying to give you some background as to where we are. That way, at the end of the year, we can compare where I am then back to where I was at the start of the year. Does that make sense? It does to me. So let's get right into my 3 goals. My first goal is to purchase a 2 to 4 unit multifamily house hack. My wife and I actually already did a house hack in a 4-unit apartment complex. We saw the benefits and we were actually able to live for free and get paid a couple $100 every single month to live there. And now that we have a 6-month-old son, we really want to make good financial decisions. And if we have to sacrifice for another year, that's no problem. We don't mind doing that at all. We think this would be a great financial move for us, considering we would be able to drop our highest monthly cost, which is our mortgage, to potentially 0. So that's goal number 1. Goal number 1 is to purchase a 2 to 4 unit multifamily house hack using FHA 3.5% down. Moving on to my goal number 2, which is to purchase 2 more additional properties by the end of 2023. So it will be 3 properties altogether. The first 2 to 4 unit house hack, then we want to buy 2 more additional properties by the end of 2023. My ideal situation is to use hard money or private money lending and the HELOC that we have to purchase a BRRRR property to buy, renovate, rehab, refinance, and repeat to get all of our money back. Ideally, we would want to do multifamily, but we are not opposed to single family as well. As to the second property in this goal, it could be another BRRRR or it could be a primary house to where we move out of the house hack we were living in and then we could rent out fully the house hack that we purchased in goal number 1. So if we accomplish goal number 1 and goal number 2, we would essentially be having at least 6 properties by the end of 2023. Currently, we have 3. Now moving on to the last goal, which is goal number 3. I kind of combined 2 goals together, but it is to have a net worth at the end of 2023 of $225,000, as well as receiving $4,500 in cash flow. To give you some context, at the end of 2022, we are actually sitting at about $95,000 of net worth, as well as $2,500 of cash flow every single month from our rentals. So we would need to create another $130,000 of equity through buying real estate as well as paying off debt that we currently have. And we would also have to generate another $2,000 a month in cash flow. Not only do I think these are tough goals for us, I also think that they are attainable. Now you might be thinking those are only 3 goals. Why didn't you do more? Well, I really want to specify my goals and only target 3 so that my mind's not all over the place, if that makes sense. I feel as if the more goals you have, the more complicated things get, and you just may not accomplish as many goals as you want to because your mind's all over the place. So those are my real estate goals for 2023. During a recession, I would love to know what your goals are. So feel free to go down in the comments below and let me know what your goals are and what you think of my goals, because I always want to learn and I want to know what you guys are up to as well. If you haven't already, go down and subscribe to this channel so you can follow my journey, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.